What's up guys, Dennis here, and today we're going to finish building the Cymbal Lathe. If you haven't seen part 1, you might want to go check out that video now, because I explained what I'm building, why I'm building it, and spent a lot of time getting to where I'm at right now. I don't have any of the frame built yet. I have all the motor and the drive pieces and everything, so it just needs to get bolted up. And where I left off last time was I didn't really know yet how I wanted to make it, because I had to make sure that all the pieces were the correct spacing and everything. So I spent some time drawing up a bunch of notes and everything here. So now all I need is the steel to be cut to these dimensions so that we can then weld it up. And to do that, yeah, hey, Dennis, do you mind? Yeah, yeah, cool. Thanks. He's a big helper around here. Oh, be careful. Oh! Sweet, man. Look, you even prepped all the edges so that I could weld, and you drilled the holes? I gotta keep this guy around. Alright, so let's go get this thing welded up. Okay, past Dennis was also nice enough to cut this nice plywood base here. And I'm just going to screw this in. Now let's see if everything fits. Come on. Alright, so I have this almost all together, but I wanted to show you something. So I purposely didn't make the part where the tool rests, because I wanted to get it all put together because I wasn't sure how that was going to work. And I thought once it's all together and I can see it, it'll be a lot easier to figure out where to put stuff. And I was right, because I think what'll work really well is if I just have a couple pieces of steel coming out here that I can mount just this bar on, and then it can be kind of adjustable, and I can move it in or out and just clamp it on for now, maybe just while I'm testing, and this will give me my rest for my tool to rest on. So let me weld up a couple pieces of angle iron coming out of here. For now I'm just going to clamp it. Maybe later I'll drill some holes and have some adjustments and stuff, but let me do that, and then we'll put it all together and we'll see if it actually runs. All right, while that piece is cutting, I'm going to drill some holes in this, and this is going to be my bit holder. So I'm going to put a high-speed steel lathe tool in here and then clamp it down with a couple of bolts. That's not straight. Alright, I already see something wrong with this. I wanted the rest to be about the center height of the cymbal so that the tool would be cutting right at perpendicular. Well, with the tool holder, the cutting part of the bit is actually higher now. I think if I angle it, I can get pretty close. Yeah, I might have to actually cut these off, lower them a little bit so that when I clamp this on, it rides where I need it to. But let's give it a shot. Whoa! Oh. I wasn't ready for that. You gotta see this. It's making shavings. Wow. Neighbors must think I'm... So it works. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, here's the old one. Here's the one that I lathed. See if we can hear a difference. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm glad I could get this to work, and that I was able to actually lathe some of the cymbal off. So, like I said before, this is going to be more of a platform for me to do all kinds of stuff on. I did want to make a cymbal lathe to turn down the cymbals to make them hopefully sound a little bit lighter, so I'm going to use it for that. I'm also going to use this for turning very large diameter aluminum pulleys. Now that I've started casting, I want to cast some really large pulleys and be able to use this machine to turn them down. I don't know if it's going to be manual or if I'm going to attach like a router bit or router or some other mechanism, but we'll see. Another project I want to adapt this for is to make a ball tumbler. So a few different times now I've had some random needs to grind stuff finer, and a ball mill would be like perfect for that. Yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think, if this was a silly project or if you can see all the potential that I see in this. All right, that's all I got for this time. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.